हाय प्रियंका।
प्रियंका नेशनल अवार्ड को लेके रिसेंटली बहुत ज्यादा बातें हो रही है, अक्षय कुमार को मिला।
मैं तो अमेरिका में थी, मुझे कुछ नहीं पता।
Guys, this will be the last question. We have one last question.
मुझे 3 मिले, मुझे ये पता।
Hi
One last
Priyanka.
question.
Hi Priyanka. How are you? प्रियंका, जब आप यहाँ पे नहीं होती हैं तो भी आप बॉलीवुड मूवीज पे वॉच रखती हैं, क्या कुछ आ रहा है? आपने कोई लास्ट हिंदी फिल्म कौन सी देखी थी?
बिल्कुल नहीं देखी। नहीं, मैं फॉरगेट हिंदी फिल्म है, वहाँ की भी फिल्में नहीं देख पाती हूँ। Doing a 22 episode TV show is very difficult. You know, मेरे आवर्स बहुत क्रेजी होते हैं, हम लोग 15-15 घंटे शूट करते हैं। सब लोग समझते हैं कि वहाँ पे लोग पीपल वर्क ओनली लाइक फ्रॉम 9 to 5, नॉट एट ऑल। हमारी सुबह 5 बजे की शूटिंग, आई मीन 5 बजे यू हैव टू अराइव, वी लीव बाय 8 o'clock at night, so there's not really time. So I've missed out on a lot of films. In fact, a lot of the Oscar films also मैंने देखी नहीं थी, तो मैं बेस्ट पिक्चर कैटेगरी में बाहर चली गई थी ताकि कोई मुझसे पूछे ना।
We'll have one last question. One last.
Hi Priyanka. Just wanted to
Priyanka,
ask you.
Give it 5
Hi
more
Priyanka.
minutes.
Yeah,
Priyanka,
hi,
Priyanka?
I'm Atika from Rishta Cineplex, the movie channel by Colors. A couple of months back, we met in Spain for an interview. You said very categorically, whichever project you would be in, you want to make sure that you are also in the poster like the other actors, and they should not take Indian actors for granted. In the beginning, हमने आपके जो interviews देखे जो West में लिए गए थे, we thought the anchors were being a little arrogant because they did not have an idea about you or our country, India. But of late, they have warmed up to us, the country, the Indians. Have they really warmed up to the color brown? Can you tell us, by instances, how their notions and perceptions about India have been broken?
Okay, so you've asked 3 questions in one, huh? Now let me answer one by one if I've understood. You can't be so entitled, and us also as the Hindi film industry. हम ऐसे नहीं कह सकते कि अच्छा हम तो इंडिया में स्टार हैं तो हर कंट्री में होना चाहिए. Not cool. वहाँ मतलब you know different people are different celebrities in different countries. So I never expected that. I am okay walking into a room saying hi, I'm Priyanka Chopra and I'm an Indian actor. मैं अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस करती हूँ एंड उसमें कोई छोटी बात नहीं है. हमारे अचीवमेंट्स बहुत बड़े हैं. सो स्लोली ऑफ कोर्स नोबडी हैड सीन माय वर्क दैट टाइम. Quantico had just come out. I never thought they were mean, except for a few people, and I know who you're talking about. But I don't think anyone was mean. I think the American press has been wonderfully accepting of me. In fact, I haven't seen them being like this to a lot of Indian actors. I mean, if you think about it, they're wonderful with me. They are so friendly, so loving, so encouraging. For someone like me. So I don't know, I can't say about brown skin and I can't generalize, but I definitely think that's my endeavor. We are 1/5 of the world's population. तो हमारा representation international cinema में, global cinema में, global entertainment में बहुत जायज़ है, होना चाहिए, and that is on us. We have to make sure that we are good enough and we put ourselves out there and say कि मैं अपने character के ऊपर I'm going to pay attention and I'm going to work on it because I know how to do it. मैं काफ़ी prolific film industry से आई हूँ. So I don't feel small when I walk in. And I think, yeah, it takes a while to introduce. Whenever somebody comes here new, जब मेरी पहली फिल्म में आई थी तब आप लोग भी तो नहीं जानते थे मुझे. You also warmed up to me after a while. So it's just natural, I think.
Priyanka,
Hi Priyanka.
Justin
Hi
here.
Priyanka. I'm Shutapa. Hi, here in the middle.
Just say,
Hi,
okay.
I'm Shutapa from Bombay. Yeah.
Sorry.
I'm Shutapa from Bombay Times. So you were just now talking about stereotypes, and it's just not about perception. It's also about the rules we adhere to also in our country. In India, the film industry is mostly a family-based film industry. In this film, Baywatch, you're playing a really badass character. While you have also played badass characters in India, how was it, dropping F-bombs and, talking about...
That one was very scary.
Yeah, how was it?
The first time I had to say it, I got very embarrassed. मेरे कान गरम हो गए थे. Because I'm not someone who by nature curses. चाहे वो हिंदी में हो या इंग्लिश में. Even at home, like even with my friends, I don't by nature do it. And फिल्मों में तो मैंने कभी किया नहीं. विशाल सर से मेरी कितनी विशाल भारद्वाज कितनी बार उन्होंने कोशिश की थी कि एक गाली दे दो. मुझसे नहीं होता. I get really shy. So, but I knew this was a rated R movie. It is, red band trailers. ये वो film है. This is that world. And I'm an actor और मेरा काम है to be able to, it's my job and my responsibility to fit myself into the world that I play in. मैं कभी भी अपने आप को play नहीं करती हूँ अपने characters में. I don't believe in that. I'm an actor and my job is to act. So that's what I've done with Victoria. This is the world that she is in and she drops the F-bomb.
Hi Priyanka.
Oh, thank you for asking that question. We have 6 films on floor this year, actually. We have one more Marathi movie. We have one more Bengali movie that I'm going to start. One Sikkimese film. सिक्किम में फिल्म इंडस्ट्री नहीं है उनकी रीजनल फिल्म इंडस्ट्री तो ये सिक्किम की पहली फिल्म होगी जो सिक्किम से निकलेगी. I've tied up with the government. I'm launching the film industry there. So we've taken HODs only HODs from Bombay. बाकी सारा cast and crew हम लोग उसी area से ले रहे हैं so that they get sort of used to making films on their own and they can also do it after I leave. Also, the rest of them I can't talk about too much, but there's also one Konkani Hindi film, which is a children's film, which I'm very excited about. And yeah, we're developing some really fun stuff. And most of them are with new directors, and we're launching a few new actors. So, fingers crossed, let's see.
Priyanka, that will be the last question, guys. That will be the last question.
Priyanka, Justin.
That will be the last one.
Priyanka, Justin here.
Chalne do.
Priyanka, I just wanted to ask from you, I mean, while you were working in the West, America was going through a transformation. Since you've worked in both the industries, I just wanted to understand from you, why is it that the celebrities in the West are more open to criticizing the power of authority than perhaps the Indian celebrities here? Why do you think there is that difference like?
I think it's a cultural thing, maybe. I don't know. I say what I feel. I've always had an opinion. So, and when I don't want to have an opinion, I just don't. Maybe controversies get... every time I think public people, whether it's over there and over here, I think public people just always get into trouble, I guess, when you speak your opinion, and that's the truth. So maybe that's why. I mean, I'm just guessing.
Thank you. Can I please invite Mr. Andhari to please come on stage, sir? Sir, could you please come
This
on
is
stage?
Ajit Antare from Viacom, please. हमने मेरीकॉम भी साथ में की, हमने काफी फिल्में साथ में की है.
Good, she remembers. I was waiting somewhere.
One mic for him. Yes. Where is your mic? Okay, let me finish with him. I'm coming to you. Yes.
About the films that you're doing in the Purple Pictures. I, being from Assam, have a personal. I mean, this attachment. Obviously, you're a brand ambassador for Assam right now. You've just signed up. Would you be doing any films in that language? B,
okay.
From the same state.
The mic here, na Baba?
Yeah, I think my voice is too loud anyway. Everyone says that. Anyway, so B, when you actually did, I mean, the Assam tourism campaign, there were a lot of criticism that came in. I mean, are you aware of it? Because
for the campaign design,
the creatives were not up to the mark. It was ridiculously bad, actually. Let me put it that way. It was. It was stupid.
You must tell your government because they made it then.
Exactly. Did you
तुम
not
वहाँ
have
से
any?
हो तुम बोलो.
हम तो बोल चुके हैं.
मैं तो सिर्फ खड़ी थी.
Did you have a say in the creative?
No, of course I have a say in most creatives that go out with me. But I had gone to Assam for a really quick trip and we did a photo shoot and I left. So because I was in America, I didn't really pay attention. And I know people didn't like it very much, but I've had a conversation with them about it because I also saw it for the first time on the internet. I had like it had gone out of because I had gone back for Quantico. So hopefully we'll do a better one next time and people won't be upset. Oh, and the film. There's no plan yet, but I have met CM Saab from Assam and we've talked about that actually. Film and television.